Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered how to make stems that look beautiful and professional for your flower candles? In today's tutorial, I'll show you the second method for creating stems, perfect for adding strength and elegance to your candles. If you missed the first method, don't worry. I'll quickly recap the initial steps before diving into the new technique. Let's get started. Step 1. Quick recap of the first method. In the first method, we used 20 grams of beeswax, 5 grams of flower wax, paraffin, green color. We melted the wax, mixed in the color, and spread it thinly onto a silicone mat. Once it hardened, we trimmed the edges to create a neat square sheet. That's the base we'll be using for today's method as well. Step 2. Starting the second method. In this method, I'll take the prepared wax sheet from before and slightly increase its size by adding a layer of melted wax. Once it hardens, I'll use a wooden skewer and place it in the middle of the wax sheet. This time, I'll also insert the wick through the middle of the skewer to ensure it's centered. Step 3. Rolling the stem. Now I'll carefully roll the wax sheet around the skewer and wick. This step needs to be slow and precise to ensure an even thickness across the stem. Take your time and smooth out any bumps as you roll. Smoothing and tapering the stem. Next, I'll use a shaping tool to smooth the stem and make the top end slightly narrower for attaching the flower later. Once the stem is evenly shaped, I'll lightly heat it with a lighter to smooth out any imperfections. Step 5. Final touches. Finally, I'll apply baby powder to the stem to give it a matte finish and protect it from dust. And there you have it, a professional stem for your flower candles. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing candle making tutorials. Your support means the world to me. See you in the next video.